Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix settings need a review on Instagram. If you're seeing settings need a review message on Instagram, do not worry. This notification usually appears when Instagram wants you to review certain privacy, security, or account setting. To get started, open the Instagram app and from here go to your profile icon in the bottom right. And again, you need to select this three-lined icon in the top right. And from here, you need to go to this account center in the top. So over here, you can simply select this password and security. There's this two-factor authentication and your profile information, all of the connected accounts or settings. You need to carefully review each page and make any necessary changes. And if Instagram asks you to confirm a setting, tap continue, next, save, or done to proceed it. Continue through all of the review screen until you reach the final confirmation page. And once you have completed the process, the notification should disappear automatically. And that is it. That's how you can fix the setting needs a review problem on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.